Hi. In some cases, when you work with sketches, I just open an example and go to edit. If you use the older versions of the software or for some reasons of operations, you may end up with something which is called solver results inconsistent. It happens when you have two constraints which overlap and they just make this sketch impossible, and that's why the solver just comes to this stage where it's not possible for you to continue working. In this case, you have hundreds of constraints here and you don't know what to do. So we introduced the option which is called select over defining constraints. What this function will do, we'll just go through all of them and determine which one actually causes the problem, and it will give you a report when it's completed. After the completion of this process, depending on the number of constraints, it may take a while or it's very quick. In this case, because we have more than 200 constraints, it takes a little longer. You'll see the message that it says that two constraints over-define the sketch. The software gives you an option to delete them immediately, or if you just press no, it will just highlight them and select them on the screen, and then you can just press the delete button to remove them. As you can see now, the solver is okay and you can continue working. So this is really useful feature as a troubleshoot for when you get a sketch which is overdefined. Again, the option becomes available here if you overdefine the sketch. I hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching.